Hey man, welcome back everyone to another video. Currently I'm in White Horses and I'm heading to Morant Bay town to show you what's happening along this section of the road improvement project. And this section is being done by S&G Road Surfacing Limited. No, not all of S&G sections are really that damaged, but mostly in White Horses. You know that they did White Horses really fast and no rush work. You're bound to have problems because of that. So as I go along, you're going to see different sections where the asphalt was removed because of imperfections in it when they laid it the first time, so they were digging it. So not all of what you're seeing is caused by the rain. No, some persons may think that I am taking favoritism to one contractor over the next. I'm here to tell you that I'm not. If you notice how I do my videos, I just talk what I see. I may be closer to one contractor than the other due to where I am in St. Thomas, and that contractor probably doing a lot more than the others. All I'm doing is to show you what's happening in St. Thomas. That's the aim of my channel, to show you what's happening in St. Thomas. So if one contractor is doing more work over the other, you're gonna see them more. So I'm not playing favoritism, I'm just showing you the development of St. Thomas as it regards to the road and the building infrastructure. This is where I did the video earlier, where some walking. This is the ending part of White Horses when you're going towards Morant Bay. So over there where you see that blue and white wall on the right, that's where first and last bar would be. So you know the first bar coming into White Horses and last bar going out. you can see on the left that the road doesn't go all the way to the curb and channel, and water settling between the curb and channel on the road. And you know, if it stays long enough, it's gonna be a repeat of what happened just up the road behind us. They did say that they're going to carry the asphalt over there. You just have to wait. While passing along this part of the main road, I had to stop and take a look at this waterfall that I saw. I never saw water running down this part before of Roselle, but I guess due to the heavy rains, there is a big falls or a medium falls which started to run right here. There's building up right here where the concrete road is. I think they need to widen the notch in the wall so that more water can run into the drain, so that the water doesn't settle on here. But they have plans to put in a sidewalk, a brick sidewalk, so I don't know if when that is there, it's gonna stop the water from settling right there. hasn't been an issue in this section again. And especially with the amount of rain that fall for the last 48 hours, this road would be also impassable. So you couldn't get to Mark Bay from here. You'd have to wait till the water draws off, because there's a river, the Nigger River is on the left hand side, not the main river, but a small section of it branch off and comes down here, where they have different drainage systems which runs along the roadway and culverts that S&G install to channel the water over on the right hand side so that it can go out into the sea. So from here, going onwards towards Springfield, it looked like they are having a lot of issues with the asphalt here. You can see multiple sections that they cut out to repack and compact to put back on the asphalt. For this section, they are still in the process of putting in the curb and channels, but as you can see, with the heavy rain that was falling, because they don't have any curb and channel, the water is going into people's yard, and I know that it is an inconvenience to them.